In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for apartments on Zillow, a comprehensive real estate database that makes finding your next home or investment seamless and stress-free. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Zillow's website at www.zillow.com. It's always good practice to ensure your internet connection is strong and reliable, as this will provide a smooth experience while browsing through listings. Once on the home page, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see various options such as buy, rent, and sell. For today's purpose, click on Rent. This simple click will lead you to a wide array of rental properties available for exploration. As soon as you click on Rent, Zillow presents you with a list of rental suggestions tailored to your browser's location or previous searches, if any. Next, focus on filtering these options to meet your specific needs. Start by selecting Apartments for Rent, which ensures that the listings cater specifically to apartment buildings rather than houses or condos. Following that, you can refine your search by focusing on a particular geographical area. Use the search bar at the top and type in a city, neighborhood, or specific area you're interested in. This makes results more relevant and location-specific. Zillow also allows you to set a price range. Simply enter the minimum and maximum rental prices you are comfortable with to narrow down the listings even further. In addition to filtering by price, it's crucial to determine the number of bedrooms and bathrooms required, especially when considering your space needs or those of your family. Zillow makes it easy with options for precisely this, helping you find a home that's just right for you. You'll notice filters that let you select either 1, 2, 3, or more bedrooms and bathrooms, ensuring the offerings meet your personal or family lifestyle. You'll then discover a range of additional filters by clicking on the Home Type filter. This section will allow you to choose exactly what type of property you're looking for, whether it's the entire place or just a room. Perhaps you're interested in exploring further, so click on More Filters for an even finer customization that covers pet policies, amenities, and more. Now that your listings are fine-tuned, you can sort through them more strategically. By choosing the Sort function at the top right, you can arrange your listings based on factors such as price, high to low, or homes for you, providing a customized listing experience. You're also given the option to click on any specific listing that catches your eye for more detailed information, which often includes photos, detailed descriptions, and contact details for leasing inquiries. Finally, your curated Zillow listing is ready for discovery. Dive in to explore the unique features and potential of each property, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your lifestyle and preferences. With these guided steps, navigating Zillow to find your next rental apartment becomes intuitive and rewarding. Happy home hunting!